How to boost your local SEO traffic. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to boost your local SEO traffic of your website. So let's get started. If you have a website, you might have few pages on your website and you have like a home page, you have about us page, contact us, and you have a good website which is up and running. But you want to actually work on your SEO and you are wondering what are the different ways you can improve your local SEO without investing in different highly paid SEO tools. So this tutorial is for you guys and I'll show you how to actually get free plugins if you are using WordPress, or it also works on any of the website that you have. And I will be telling you some local SEO ways that will help you get more traffic and get more views to your business that you have. So I will be using my WordPress website today. It's a test website that I have, and I'll show you what are the different ways I work on in order to improve local SEO. The first way you can improve your SEO of your website is going to be through the text that you have. Now, you might be wondering how you improve SEO with the text that you have. On your website, if you have blogs, even if you have product website, you have e-commerce website, you must have some text, right? The title, the different paragraphs that you write, any kind of text that you have on your website. So make sure that text is SEO friendly. That will help you rank higher in the search results, because whenever we are searching on Google, we actually type and we type the words. So if I have a blog on my website and it's not SEO friendly, it does not have the right keywords in it, it will not land higher and it will not land in the search results. So adding the right keywords in your text on your website is the most important part, and it helps us improve SEO. So if you are just writing the text on your website without working on SEO, then it is of no use. For example, I have a blog right here which is how to upgrade your skincare routine. So this is actually a SEO friendly title that I searched myself before actually creating a blog. How to search for different titles? Well, you can do a simple search on Google too. For example, you have skincare, right? So you can search on Google about skincare products. We have skincare. If I search for how to skincare, then you have how to skincare in summer, how to skincare. So this is like the simplest way to search for the right keywords on your website, and that's what you can do. Or you can also do a search through a tool. If you have a free tool available, you can do that. Or on WordPress, what we do is we actually add different plugins, and that plugins help us with the keywords. So this is the first way you need to work on if you want to improve and increase the SEO traffic of your website. The next way is going to be adding FAQs. Adding FAQs on your website help you with your SEO, and it helps you get more traffic, because if you answer frequently asked questions on your website, the problems that people are facing, they like your website and they find solutions. So this way we can actually have more traffic. What I do on my WordPress website is that I can just simply go to plugins here, and I'm going to click on add new. In add plugins, I'm going to search for FAQ. So you can see we have different plugins available, and these are free plugins. I will not suggest any of the plugins that is paid. Of course, if you want to invest, you can go for such plugin, but you can go with a free as run. Ultimate FAQs, WordPress FAQ plugin, quick and easy FAQs, accordion, and FAQ. Then we have table press, accordion FAQs, easy accordion. Then we have WP. So these are all different plugins, and maybe I can go with this one. This is the easiest and the simplest one. Quick and easy FAQs, 20,000 plus active installations, compatible with your WordPress version. I'm gonna click on install now, and it will be installed. There you go. Click on activate, and now you have a plugin that will help you with your SEO. Let's actually talk about some of the more plugins that we can add to increase our local SEO. Just like text on our website, the photos we add, the videos we add also play an important role in improving SEO of our website. So what you can do is you can search for, we can add a media on any of the website really easily. We can add galleries, we can add photos and videos if you want to go more, and if you want to create very interactive galleries, and if you want to explore more options, then you can use the plugins. Otherwise, you can add the images and make sure the images align with your business that you have and with your website. Add as many photos as you can, because even when we are checking out a website, and if that website has very interactive design and a very aesthetically pleasing website, we kind of like click on it and we subscribe to it immediately. So that plays really important role, that your website is a good looking website. So you can, on the plugins again, you can search for galleries to explore more. That if you want to add like an animated gallery, make sure to go for animated headers, and you can add like video galleries and even SEO friendly images. So you can see we have photo gallery, mobile friendly videos, best WordPress gallery plugins, sliders, responsive WordPress plugins, post grids, all in one video. This is really cool. So all you need to do is just add any of the plugin. Just make sure that you have photos, good interactive photo gallery on your website. Moving on, we have link building. So if you understand backlinks, that actually help us with our SEO. And what you can do is you can use any of the third-party tool, a free tool to work on the backlinks of your website. Involves the text again, that you can add different links to your website, to different articles, from one article to another article, or from one website to another. Or you can create backlinks to improve SEO of your website, and that helps you with the local SEO, and you will be able to get more traffic. Moving on, there are other important things that you should add. You should make sure that your website has the right number of pages. Don't go over the board and create pages that are not helping you with the SEO. You can embed more plugins. You can create contact forms that help us get more email, and it also helps us with our promotion on our website. And if you find it difficult to work on, SEO, and there are different things that you think, and if you think you cannot do it, then you can maybe outsource your SEO and find freelancers that will work for you and increase the SEO of your website. There are different people who work in local SEO, and they will help you improve it. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members, so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part, and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.